Good morning, George. Here is your old exhaust manifold. This is where your exhaust elbow was, right here. And I actually had to take a hacksaw and cut the bolts to get this right here, to get this elbow off, and then drive the bolts out of this elbow. They were rusted in place on the elbow. And the other thing I had to do was I had to actually break these nuts in half with a chisel to get these nuts off two of the studs. So it's been a very interesting project getting this done. And then two of the studs drove out fairly easily. The other two studs, one of them I had to actually drill. Where is it? There it is. I actually had to drill most of the screw away before I could get that guy driven out. And then the other one, I can't seem to find it right now, but I just put these were the ones that were tough to get to, or was it this end? This end. But anyway, these were the ones that were tough to get to. I couldn't get anything in there to drive them out. So I did manage to put a nut on that remainder of that stud and actually just twist it and cause it to come out this way, and that got it loosened up enough that I could drive it out the rest of the way. So it's been interesting, and right now I'm in the process of tapping the holes were rusted in the old manifold, and so I'm tapping the holes right here for new studs, and I'm having to make a bottom tap. It's a blind hole, and as you can see on the tap, it doesn't tap that much of the bottom of the hole doesn't really get tapped. So I'm going to make this into a bottoming tap by getting rid of those sections, right, of those first few threads right there, so I can get it tapped all the way to the bottom again. Anyway, so just wanted to let you know about the progress, let you know we're working on it.